welcome to another episode of Sunday Celebrates. Today we have the cutest couple from the internet, from the content creation journey, Himail and Ali. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi Bushra, how are you?
I'm good too. Firstly, you guys look amazing, very cute. बहुत cute लग रहे हैं आप लोगों के matching outfits. What are you guys wearing?
We are wearing Mo.
Oh, obviously.
The one and only.
मेरा actually one of the question was कि like आप लोग जो है मोहसिन तवस्सुली बहुत ज़्यादा पहनते हैं. What's the deepest connection with this brand?
The deepest connection is that whenever I go to him, he listens to me and then he makes an outfit according to what I want. He just does not push me towards कि बस ये मेरी collection है तो बस यही पहन लो. वो ये कहता है कि what do you want and then he listens to me and then we collaborate.
Comfortable with his silhouette.
And then we collaborate and then we come out with a design. Obviously.
So let's start from the beginning. Before the campaigns, the front rows, and the Instagram aesthetic, who are Himail and Ali asal mein? Like, who are you guys genuinely off camera?
I think we're very fun-loving people, in my opinion. At least I am. Okay? Very energetic, very fun-loving. And Ali just has to cope up with this.
I am always catching up to her.
Catching up to Himail's trends,
Yes.
not Instagram trends.
No, to her.
Himail, so you moved from Islamabad to Lahore after marriage. Has the city changed your style a little bit, or you still have a little DNA of Islamabad left in you?
I think I will always have that little DNA of Islamabad. You cannot take Islamabad out of a girl who's born in Islamabad. So do not even try. But I have grown fond of Lahore. I love the city. I love the energy that it carries. But I will still be going back to Islamabad every other month to relax.
Nelly, from your perspective, have you noticed Lahore influencing her style or personality?
Of course. I think Lahore has become a big part of her. And I think now she loves Lahore more than Islamabad.
No, I can never love Lahore more than Islamabad. I would never admit it, even if I do. Not happening. Sorry, my Lahori fans. देखो मसला ये है कि
No, she loves Lahore.
I was born and bred in Islamabad. I have
Yes.
never moved cities and it was a huge move for me. पहले 2 साल तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आती थी कि कहाँ जाना है, मैंने क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. And now I am growing fond of it. I may even love it more, but with time. Give me some time.
So you're saying an Islamabadi can become a Lahori?
No. A part of me would always.
What if a Lahori becomes an Islamabadi?
He loves
Islamabad. I love Islamabad. Even जब हम वापस आ रहे थे लाहौर इस्लामाबाद से शादी करके और हम ना इसके बैरिया टाउन में यूँ घूम रहे हैं सड़कों पे सो ब्यूटीफुल सो एस्थेटिक और इतनी ग्रीनरी थी वहाँ पे एंड आई वाज लाइक हिमायल तुम क्यों आ रही हो लाहौर इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल
नहीं,
इतना शोर
तुम मुझे
पोल्यूशन
लेकर जा रहे हो. It's not me, it's you.
Okay, so your content always looks effortless, but I'm sure it isn't. What's one part of being a fashion creator that people romanticize the most about you guys, but have absolutely no idea about?
Basically
Behind the scenes,
what people see is one picture they don't see the effort behind it
Yeah.
it takes so much
Especially coming to
so much
Lahore.
planning and I see her कि वो हर चीज़ क्या टाइम क्या कपड़े aesthetics environment she plans everything
Yeah.
We see
it's
that
just
on her
not one
Instagram,
picture
honestly.
it's all her effort
Yeah, even for this interview, like you have to go get ready, get your hair done, do your makeup, get dressed, and then you have to,
Especially in this weather, guys, it's too hot.
it's too hot. We have to turn the fans off again. Sorry.
and
Sorry
she
to them
doesn't
as well.
like इसकी energy low नहीं होती she loves working she loves her work और इसकी energy ना कभी भी low नहीं होगी she's always excited about it and that's the part I love about her and like that's very
But I
inspiring
believe sometimes content creation can also get too much for you guys, right? So how do you guys deal with it? Like, as a couple for each other.
we just do it
We just keep on doing. I love my work. I do not take it as okay, yeah, it's getting too much or whatever. I'm very, very grateful for all the love and all the work that I get. I can never say कि ये मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा काम है या I'm very exhausted. I want to be exhausted. I want to be exhausted till my last breath. I want to keep on working. So no, I will not be ungrateful and I will not say that. चाहे जितनी भी गर्मी हो मैं बैठ के इंटरव्यू दूंगी.
We love that energy. So guys, you guys wear a lot of beautiful designer
और
pieces.
दूसरा what we do, Sorry.
okay.
Sorry. I want to mention we go on holidays. Whenever it's too much, it's getting too much around us or anything, we just take our. Either I go to Islamabad or we go on a holiday together, but we just get away from the city.
You staycation type हो जाए तो like सबसे दूर इंटरनेट से दूर.
Yes.
Disconnect.
Disconnect.
Yes.
And I'm good at that. I can disconnect with a live person as well.
I love people like that, honestly. You guys wear a lot of beautiful designer pieces, especially from labels like Mohsin Tawassuti. What's the difference between wearing an outfit because it's gifted or sponsored and wearing because it genuinely feels like you?
I think it shows. It definitely shows. It shows on your face. It shows in your content. It shows in your personality. If I love an outfit, it would reflect on my face. It would reflect again in the content pieces, and it would reflect like everybody would know. Okay? And once like whenever it's a paid thing as well, brands send us selection and we're like, okay, we want more options, or we want this would not relate to my audience. This is what I like telling them, और मैं उनको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होता. हमारी पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से अगर आप हमें कपड़े दोगे या मुझे पता है मेरी ऑडियंस को क्या पसंद आएगा, तो फिर ही वो आपको सेल्स में भी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, वरना फिर इट्स जस्ट.
Most of the time she does select an outfit के आप मुझे options दें, I will select the one. She would not
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम नहीं, ऑल द टाइम.
मतलब ये compromise नहीं करती उस चीज़ पे most of the time.
मतलब कि आपको होता है कि बस मेरे if you feel the outfit you'll wear.
Yes.
Achha, so working in this industry, I've learned one thing, that my audience knows what I like, and my audience knows. मतलब मुझे भी नहीं पता होगा, उनको पता होगा. तो इसीलिए I just stay true to them.
आपने इतना बेंचमार्क सेट कर दिया इंस्टाग्राम में, तो अब नहीं पता चलेगा तो कब पता चलेगा. So Himal is a very fashion forward person. What's one outfit of hers that you absolutely love and one that you strictly wish she'd never wear?
There's no such thing कि I would say she should not wear, because अब जो the silhouettes she's carrying now, I love them. I absolutely love them, and I think she did set a benchmark in the industry, and I see everyone wearing it. So the other day I was just telling her, this is all you.
That's very true.
That's not true at all. Everybody does whatever they want to do.
No, of course, but yeah.
But I am an influencer.
Yeah.
So you and Ali have quietly become one of Instagram's favorite couples. How do you balance sharing enough for people to connect with you while still keeping your relationship yours?
We like to keep our private life very private. People think that we show everything. We do not.
People only see like 5 or 10%
Of
of
our
us.
lives,
Yeah.
Yeah. So any advice for them? Like, क्या आप लोग you guys people assume लोग assume बहुत करते हैं इंटरनेट के ऊपर कि ये कपल ऐसा है, ये फलाना ऐसा है, but like they don't see the bigger picture behind it.
The bigger picture is that देखो, you shouldn't compare yourself to a couple online.
Of course.
That
Everybody
is
has
the
their
biggest
own
advice I can
dynamics.
give you. ठीक है, वो लोग खुश हैं. I will only share my happy moments with you. मैं जब लड़ रही होंगी मैं उसकी वीडियो नहीं दिखाऊंगी.
वो भी दिखाएंगे.
But we do fight, and we fight every single day. Arguments are part of life, and fights are part of life as well. It's just that you have to deal with the person. You have to be very, very patient, and you have to be very considerate of the other person and their feelings.
And I think you should also consider like who you're marrying based on what, like हर बंदे के अच्छी और बुरी बातें हैं, and what you can take उनकी बुरी बातों में, what you can accept, you need to select that person.
हाँ, you have to make peace with it. I've made peace with him, and he's made peace with me, है ना?
So you have to take
I feel
the
so single.
bad with the good as well.
Don't. Wait for the perfect person. The only advice as a couple I can give you, I waited for the perfect person, and I am so grateful that I did. क्योंकि अगर आप wait नहीं करोगे and you marry the wrong person, it would just ruin your life. So don't. And do not go, ladies, do not go on the 30 वाली thing. 30 years हो जाओ, 40 years हो जाओ, 50 years हो जाओ. शादी तभी करना जब अपनी मर्जी का बंदा मिले. Do not fall for it. Freeze your eggs.
Love it. So guys, you've attended countless launches, fashion weeks and events. Has there ever been a moment where you guys looked around the room and thought, okay, we actually belong here now?
I have. I belong here. I do, but I have always thought I do belong here. Though the fashion industry is not very welcoming, I would say that. It has taken a lot of hard work and a lot of years for a person outside the industry to come and for them to be, acceptable of us, of influencers, of
I think it's
content
everywhere
creators.
because they're kind to you when you're somewhere.
Yes, and they're kind of people who are like part of the industry or who have connections or whatever. I have been literally out of the industry. I was not from Karachi or Lahore. I was from Islamabad. So, in my opinion, the industry wasn't that welcoming. But now it is.
But now,
it is.
I think it's changed. A lot has changed.
A lot has changed. I
You
hope
work hard to gain that attention.
Yeah, but I hope my working hard does bring the same energy towards all the newcomers as well, and the fashion industry learns as well. Okay, we have to be nicer and kinder and welcoming towards the new people. It's okay if they do not have connections or.
I think now it has changed a lot because the newcomers are coming and their work is really nice. People now do prefer micro influencers as well.
No, what they do, but fashion industry is very different.
Initially, it was very because she was the first one of the influencers, though people didn't have that acceptance.
I absolutely agree with you guys. Like, content creation को recognize होने में, like in Pakistan,
Yeah, it took a lot of time.
It took a lot of time. Now it's there. Now we also have a category in our awards now, and you
Yes.
guys are nominated.
I love that you just not have a category, but you have a lot of categories that diversify everybody and that includes everybody. Funny content, fashion, beauty. Everybody needs recognition. Everybody
very true.
needs the nominations. Award तो एक को मिलता है, but वो जो 4-5 लोग nominate हुए हैं, I think you guys are winners
Yes,
in itself.
definitely.
Do not wait for the award. Just wait for the
I
reward.
feel the nominee is an award for your award itself.
Yes.
This question.
She believes in rewards,
I
not
believe in
awards.
So you guys are nominated not one but two categories: Best Content Creator Fashion and Best Content Creator Couple. How does it feel to be recognized for both your individual fashion content and the content you create as a couple? And if you had to pick one category, like ये वाली मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए, तो कौन सी होगी?
I'm rooting for her. I want her to win the fashion category.
नहीं, I think दोनों ही मिलने चाहिए. नहीं, whatever I get, I'll be grateful for that. Even if I don't, I consider I would repeat the same thing कि whoever is nominated is itself a winner. क्योंकि अगर इतने लोगों में 4-5 लोग select हुए हैं, nominate हुए हैं, और 2 categories में अगर मुझे nomination मिली है, I'm just very grateful for that. मैं इसी में खुश हूँ.
आपका कैसा फील हो रहा है कपल कैटेगरी में नॉमिनेट होकर?
I'm like really thankful, grateful for that. But I really wish that she wins the fashion influencer award. I really want her to.
No, we should win as a couple.
Where to find guys like him?
I would win a couple as well. अच्छा.
Okay, if someone opened your wardrobe today without knowing you, what's one thing that they instantly understand about Himayal's and Ali's personality?
For her,
For नहीं, Himayal's and Ali's personality.
know.
For your personality.
you can tell something
him
about me and I
you
can
tell
tell.
about hers.
अच्छा. For his personality.
Like for her, I think बहुत एक individualistic style है इसका. Every piece she carries एक उसकी अपनी personality है. And then she carries it in such a way कि वो और enhance करता है इसके ऊपर. तो हर category जो हर एक piece है, they will tell you about her personality, who she is as a person.
मुझे इतने अच्छे words use करने नहीं आते. मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ. What would your wardrobe say about you?
Himayal.
I think
So
you will
dress
find
her
different
up.
categories in mine.
I dress
I'll have my gym clothes. I'll have my daily clothes.
Yeah. He has a set of like एक उसके.
I have categories.
He has his office wardrobe and then
Yeah.
he has his aesthetic, athlete wardrobe, and then he has this wardrobe.
Yeah.
We'll call that category Himayal wardrobe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Statement pieces, basically.
Which he always has a doubt about.
Yeah,
Whenever
always.
he's wearing an outfit, even today he was like, मैंने ये नहीं पहनना.
नहीं,
Yeah.
I said कि अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो मैं करूँगा, अगर अच्छा ये नहीं
और
लगेगा, I'm not
हमेशा
gonna do
अच्छा
that.
लगता है. अब बताओ अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं?
It's your
Comments
way.
में तो सब जो है कह रहे होते कितने क्यूट लग रहे हैं, अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
बस.
तो तब आप कहते चलो अच्छा है पहन लिया.
हाँ फिर he's like अच्छा यार. मतलब
नहीं, पर जब तारीफें आती है ना, फिर मैं कहता हूँ हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छा
What
है.
worth it, what worth it. So the big question: who takes more time to get ready? I
I
can
think
answer that.
you can answer that question. Everybody standing here can answer that question. Everybody knows, but I'll let you answer it.
I think I do. Guilty.
With my hair and makeup from head to toe, I'm ready and waiting for him every single time.
I think he has more hours on getting ready. I have a little less hours.
हैं?
बचपन से करती आ रही है ये तो she like gets ready like this in an instant. I have to think अच्छा क्या बाल कैसे
जो मर्जी कर लो,
beard,
men take more time.
कपड़े and you know.
Imagine Instagram disappears tomorrow. No reels, no stories, no likes. Who do you think you guys would still be without social media?
Who would we be?
Yeah.
We'll be zombies.
No, we would still be Himalayan Ali and we would still live our lives
So
like
if
the
not
way you do.
content creation, what would you guys be doing right now?
I have my own brand, but वो भी social media भी चलता है तो
So वो भी kind of वही हो गया.
yeah.
What about you, honestly?
If I was not a...
Content creator.
That's hard because I made a job out of a career that did not exist.
Yeah.
So I cannot do anything else.
No, like
I told you
hypothetical.
she will be a zombie.
No. I can do good in marketing. I can be a teacher. I can be a motivational speaker. I can be so
Oh my
many
god,
things.
TEDx speaker.
Yeah, I wanted to do CSS, so maybe I'll just do that.
Nice. So, guys, Sunday Times is also celebrating 25 years of its presence in the industry.
Congratulations.
What does being part of this milestone and being nominated for not one but two categories at the Sunday Special Icon Awards mean to you guys? And how has Sunday family been so close to you?
Sunday family has been always very kind. Unlike all the non-welcoming people, they have been very welcoming
Very
since
warm.
the start and warm. So I would like to congratulate you guys as well. We're just happy and grateful for the nominations.
Thank you so much. Lastly, what's your message for your followers who have supported you throughout your journey and continue to show your love?
I have said that before and I will say that again. I am very grateful. I love you all and keep showing us all the love that you do because it is because of you that I am who I am. I would not have been this way if you guys didn't love me enough.
It's really appreciative, like the kind of love people show. Jab, we're out and about, and people come and they take pictures and they tell you, okay, I've been following you since then, and we love your content. It's a beautiful thing in itself.
I think when you said that when it came to me that I made it, I still remember a girl came to me and she was shivering and she was so happy to see me. That is actually the moment I thought I made it because somebody is so happy just to see you, meet you, and just say hi to you. So yeah,
Somebody getting inspired by you guys.
yeah, that makes me very, very grateful and gives me a lot of responsibility as well.
Yeah.
That's super good. You guys are very cute, mashallah. Always stay like this. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope that they win. Because honestly, मैं बताऊँ.
ये सबको जाके यही कह रही है. Do not believe her.
No, आप लोग couple पहले हैं. मेरा वोट आपके लिए है. Like, मैंने decide
नहीं, मैं fashion में मेरा वोट नहीं है.
नहीं, fashion.
फंस गई.
I know how he feels right now. But anyways, thank you so much for joining us
welcome.
today,
Thank you.
guys. It was a pleasure being here with you,
Likewise.
talking to you guys. And so guys, yes, thank you for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.